Hey guys, it's your girl Seller 707 with a small Walmart haul. Well, I went to Walmart because I needed some topsoil for my plants and stuff, because you know I'm in all about my gardening time. But I went and I realized I needed some juices, so I picked up 2 of these fruit juices, which are only $1 at Walmart, and then I picked up 7 of these Almay eye makeup removers, which were $1.14, and then I picked up some of the, sorry, got it on backwards, picked up some of the Chi Chi flour tortillas, and they were, let me look at my receipt, they were $1.48. So this is how my deal planned out. I had used the $2 off Almay coupon, and whenever you use the $2 off Almay coupon, and these are $1.14, that gives you 86 cents of overage. So I brought 7 of those, so that gave me roughly like $6 and I think 8 cents to play with. So with my topsoil, which I thought was 97 cents, looking on my receipt, that topsoil was like $1.24. So I had $2 here, and then I had $1.48 here, and all my Almays and my topsoil, my subtotal came to $13.94, and then I used 7 of the $2 off coupons, and bringing my total down to this was amazing. Now I go to Walmart and I do some really good couponing at Walmart, but tonight was a good day of shopping. So keep in mind, 2 big old bags of topsoil, 2 juices, 7 of these makeup removers, and my Chi Chi flour tortillas for my tacos, and subtotal was $13.94. My subtotal was negative 6 cents, but then when they put on their tax and stuff, I only had to pay out of pocket, are you ready for this, 55 cents. Do you hear me? 55 cents. And one lady told me, are you one of those extreme couponers? And I said, no, I'm just trying to save money for my family on things that we need. And the cashier goes, yes, she is. She's always coming in here and she's always making these wonderful deals. So, I'm not trying to, be like an extreme couponer. Like I said before, I'm just trying to buy the things that I know my family needs. And whenever I have an opportunity to have overage at Walmart, like many of you couponers out there, we spend it on food items, things that we know we can taste and enjoy. So I just wanted to bring this little video to you to say, oh, and the $2 Almay coupon was expiring tonight, and I just happened to stumble upon that. So but there is a $4 off Almay coupon that I saw in one of our inserts, so I'm going to see what kind of deals and stuff I can work out coming up through this week. So if I find any exceptional deals, I will come on and give you guys a heads up. And as you can see, look what time it is. It's 10:41 here in Virginia. So I just wanted to say, get on out there, get your coupons cut, so you can get out there and find some of these fabulous deals as well. Alright guys, take care, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope that my videos will help you in the learning process of being an awesome couponer. Alright, take care you guys, and have a wonderful evening. Bye bye now.